In this video, I am going to show you how to blend colors with a circle in Microsoft Paint. Although Paint does not have this blending tool, we can create any gradient color we want in a circle. So let's start the video. Select the line and drag it like this 5 times. Using the Fill with Color tool, select different colors from the color palette and fill different areas with color. After that, go to Resize, click on Pixel, deselect Maintain Aspect Ratio, remove the size using Ctrl X and put 1 there, then click OK. Again go to Resize, click on Pixels, deselect Maintain Aspect Ratio and paste the first number again in place of the 1, then click OK. This will create a gradient color here. Then select all, copy it, open PowerPoint and paste it here. Go to Format, click on Crop and select 1:1 from Aspect Ratio and select Oval from Crop to Shape. Right click, copy it, open MS Paint and paste it here. Click on Select and select Transparent Selection. Go to Rotate, select Flip Vertical. With this simple method, you can mix and blend colors in your Microsoft Paint. If you are working on project, mastering color mixing can make a big difference. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.